day, another castle. Now I'm parked there. Now I think you can drive up the road, take a right, and then there's actual parking that you can use. But no doubt I'll put some animation in this as I'm talking right now, so you can see exactly where it is. Because I've parked there just because it's easier, and I saw this path. I was like, do you know what? I'm going to take it. And I'm going to regret it because it's further to walk. And I'm very lazy. I'm not as fit as I used to be. But come across this as well. Look at that. Hungarian poet. Lovely. Nice little memorial plaque for him there. I'm in the small village of Montgomery because in today's video we're going to Montgomery Castle, and I've seen a couple of pictures and it looks absolutely magnificent. It's ruins, of course, because everywhere I go it's always ruins. A sign. Please take care. Children must be supervised at all times. Well, I can't supervise my mind, can I? Because I'm very childish. It's a little steep, and I've just got back from Turkey, so my fitness is currently at 0 because I decided to gorge every day, and then my stamina is at 0. It's literally like a 5-minute walk. Hang on, give me a minute. Shit. So you can just see it poking out up there. Let's see what we have here.
Montgomery Castle was built in the early 13th century during the reign of Henry III by Roger de Mortimer, a powerful marcher lord. The castle was strategically situated to control the border between England and Wales, a region known for its turbulent history and frequent conflicts. Its purpose was not only to defend against Welsh incursions, but also to act as a symbol of English dominance in the region.
Let's have a look. What's over here? I like the idea of the bridge. As I've said before, many times, these things are good because you get to explore more of the ruins and more of the castle that you wouldn't necessarily have to see beforehand. Marvellous. It's very peaceful here until the drone comes out, and then all you hear is I'm sure that's a marvellous noise everyone wants to hear at 10 o'clock in the morning. Oh, look out. You watch me slip and break my neck. Yeah. Information board. Definitely not reading it in Welsh. Because, yeah. Beautiful language. Oldest language. Well, one of the oldest languages in the whole world. 4,000 years old. Still used to this day.
Throughout its history, Montgomery Castle played a pivotal role in several significant events. During the Welsh Wars of the 13th century, it was held by the English and was a key stronghold in the border region. However, it changed hands multiple times during the conflicts and played a part in the complex power struggles between the English and Welsh. In the 17th century, during the English Civil War, Montgomery Castle saw further military action. It was garrisoned by royalist forces and withstood a siege of parliamentarian troops. Ultimately, it fell to the parliamentarians and the castle was partially demolished to prevent its further use as a military stronghold.
Imagine the sheer effort of getting stone up here. Look at that. Hang on. Look at that. Imagine getting the stone up here to build this. That wall. This is like out of control. It's absolutely phenomenal. The sheer effort to build it. And this is just the ruins. Imagine the whole castle back in the day. I've missed a board. Look. Look, you distracted me now, look. Yeah. Yeah, River 7. Yeah, boy. Represent. But the sheer effort it would have taken to get, just not even just getting the material up here, just shifting it is absolute effort. Take a shot every time you hear the word effort. I'm going down this hill and I'm probably gonna slip. Yeah, same again though. Remember what? I can't remember what video it was. And I said, "Oh, the Tintern Abbey. How when all the walls are taken down, they're always taken down to a certain level. They're always. It's never like there's only a handful that remain fully intact. Everything's always taken down to like almost knee height. Obviously, some of that's taken out, but." It's like knee height. Same as that one as well. See? It was the same on Tintern Abbey as well. So I wonder what it is why they have to stay at that height. See? This one's not fully in the ground. That one is. That isn't. I don't know. Maybe it's a mystery that the Ghostbusters will have to solve. Because who are you going to call? Because it ain't me.
Montgomery Castle, like many ancient historic sites, has its fair share of legends and folklore that have been passed down through the centuries. While these legends may not be supported by historical evidence, they add an element of mystery and intrigue to the castle's story. And I've got to say, some of these are wild. From hidden treasure left by the castle's constructor, a white spectral of a hound that roams the grounds, to a shape-shifting wizard, but the most famous one is of a woman who resided at the castle and was found dead after being hit over the head by a rock of all things. But if you want to see these for yourself, you will have to come and see what you can find.
Here he is. Good old Hubert. Hubert's inner strength. Go on. So, this is the well. And I've just read, get this, that the well is 210 feet deep. That's 64 meters. And it was built as a priority. And the miners that built it, or dug it, were brought from the Forest of Dean. There's a lot of wild boar there, actually. That's pretty cool. And yeah, they were brought here to do the mine, do the well. They built the well, and it was considered a priority when building the castle. Obviously, this sign wasn't here, nor was this fencing. How impressive is that? It's a distance to bring some people, though. They must have been good at what they did. Forest of Dean, that's a trek from here. What have we got in room? This one. Got the right shoes on. Oh shit, that was deeper than I thought. Nice. That's a very high seat. Oh, look out. Window slits. These are cool. Yeah. Oh, found the naughty corner. That's a very strange thing. I don't know what would be there. Look at that. Fucking hell. Alright, birds. Calm down. Look at that. The UK really is a beautiful place.
Today, Montgomery Castle stands as a striking ruin on a hill overlooking the charming market town of Montgomery. The castle's picturesque location provides panoramic views of the surrounding countryside and serves as a popular tourist destination. The site has been preserved as a public park, allowing visitors to appreciate its historical significance and enjoy the serene ambience of this ancient fortress. Montgomery Castle is a reminder of Wales' complex history, reflecting the centuries of conflict and power struggles between the English and the Welsh. Its imposing presence and captivating story make it a significant cultural and historical landmark in the beautiful Welsh countryside.